So let me show you how to proceed with the running of the migration script manually. So let me go to the C drive. Okay, so let me open an explorer here and let's go to C drive. Okay, and this is only when we have to run the script manually. Okay, so I'm trying to capture the log files here. So let's say that I already have a DJ file folder over here. Okay, let me delete the files, the log files which is already captured over here. Now let me go to the analyst folder where my configuration files are located. So let's see, I have you know Covia, and here we have the customer configurations folder. So let me double click this and then copy the complete path from here. Okay, and okay, from here, so this is up till the configuration folder. Okay, so I have already copied the path. Now let me go to the migration jar folder. So here under migration jar folder and under this date, I have created a batch file over here. Okay, so let me open the batch file here and we see that these are the commands I have already not this one, this is only the example. So these are the commands which I have run previously. So let me create so I have created a Java, then space and minus d log home, and then you have C DJ folder. This is just because my logs will get created over here. Okay, now let me close this. I already have this open over here. Okay, so after that minus jar. Okay, because I'm running a jar file and the name of the jar file. Okay, so let's go to this particular folder here and this dated folder. So here we see that this is the jar file. So this is the name of the jar file. So that's what it is here. And then we have the location of the. Okay, so here what we can do is uh, you know under quotes we'll have to paste whatever we had actually copied. So right click over here and then paste. Okay, and then you can save the jar file, sorry, batch script. Now we can close this batch or we can minimize this batch script and then you can actually run this. So let me keep it this side so that actually you can see the logs getting generated. Now when I double click on this, the script opens, the command prompt opens, and then it runs the script, and we see that the migration completed successfully. Now we see the error record, we don't have anything with 0 KB, which means migration ran successfully. Now let's open this particular log file and check. So we see that migration started. Okay, so this is the migration log. So this is the path where where it started, and then let's scroll down and see, because these are the XMLs that were converted. Okay, now let's see here the success count, which is 12, and then failure is 0, and that's where you see the error log as 0 KB. Okay, so after that the status is pass. Okay, now let's go to the let me close this one because I don't require this. Close this one as well. So this is the log which got created. Let's go to the uh, customer configuration folder under Covia. Okay, so under Covia, when we come here and see, we see this is the old config file. Okay, so all these got migrated. So these are the functionality profiles. Okay, these are the profiles that are assigned to the map project. So we have the map projects over here, and this is the tile service. So if you have any tile service in your map configuration, if you had, this will now go into the map project. And this is the folder web mapping service. So if you have any WMS maps or MVT or any other maps, so oh sorry, not MVT. If you have WMS maps, it will be uh, uh, saved here. Now if you open the project file, and if you see, if you just open this, let me open this default, or let me open this DCE. Right click on DCE XML and click on edit. So you can see that uh, the profile, it has been assigned a functionality profile. Okay, so you can see that the profile it has been assigned is profile 2. So similarly, for if you go to default, so when you check this, default has got default profile. So this is how you can see the profile that has been assigned to the map project. So yeah, that's all about the migration script. Thank you.